Hi, I'm Sel and I will be discussing Module 12, Writing for Radio. For our DF, I will be enumerating and explaining the principles of writing for radio, and I will also provide examples. For our first principle, we need to write for the ear as well as for the eye. Radio scripts must be easy to read aloud and understand when heard. The language should be simple, conversational, and free of complex words or jargon. Example: instead of saying, the proliferation of merchandise necessitates a purchase, just write, the spread of goods means you need to buy them. Second principle, be informal. Radio writing should mimic natural conversation. Use contractions, first person and second person pronouns, and a friendly tone to connect with the audience. Example: instead of saying you are listening to the program, write you're listening to the show. Third principle, aim for clarity. Use familiar words and concise sentences to ensure the message is easily understood. Avoid excess words and repeat key points for emphasis. Example: instead of saying, the year 2001 was a year of great change, write, 2001 brought big changes. Number four, put action into your sentences. Use active voice and action verbs to make sentences lively and engaging. Passive voice can make sentences dull and less impactful. Example: instead of saying the boy was hit by the car, write, the car hit the boy. Number five, use descriptive words. Paint vivid pictures with words to help listeners visualize the message. Descriptive language makes the content more engaging and memorable. Example: instead of saying, be sure the place is safe, write, make sure there are no criminals or thieves in the area. Number six, tie in with the audience experience. Relate the content to the listener's everyday lives and experiences. Use examples that resonate with their reality. Example: in a program about water conservation, you could say, imagine leaving your faucet tripping. It wastes over 400 liters of water every month. Number seven, avoid sound clashes. Be mindful of how words, when spoken aloud, avoid alliterations, sibilants, hissing sound like S and Z, popping sounds like P and B, and tongue twisters. Example: instead of saying she baked a better batch of buns, write, she baked some delicious bread. Number eight, punctuate for sound. Use punctuation to guide the announcer's delivery, indicating pauses, emphasis, or mood. This helps convey the intended meaning and tone. Use ellipses for pauses. Example: this heavy stone could put you out forever. Then pause, and then another word, and then pause, and then another word, and pause. Number nine, provide pronunciation guides. Include phonetic guides for difficult or unfamiliar words to prevent mispronunciation. Example: write Bordeaux as BOR dash DOO, or Phnom Penh as P dash NOM dash PEN in the script. Number 10, repeat key points. Since listeners cannot rewind live radio, repeating important information ensures the message is understood and remembered. Example: remember, dengue fever spreads through stagnant water. Keep your surroundings clean to avoid mosquitoes. Yes, stagnant water is the breeding ground for mosquitoes. Number 11, use short sentences. Short sentences are easier to follow and understand when heard. They help maintain the listener's attention. Example, instead of saying the government has implemented a new policy to address the issue of waste management in urban areas, write, the government has a new policy to manage waste in cities. Number 12, be consistent. Maintain a consistent tone, style, and pace throughout the script to ensure smooth transition and coherence. Example, use continuity narration to link segments in radio magazine programs such as now that we've learned about water conservation, let's hear from an expert on how to save energy at home. To conclude, writing for radio requires a focus on simplicity, clarity, and engagement. By following these principles, radio writers can create scripts that are easy to read, understand, and deliver, ensuring that the message resonates with the audience. Thank you.